A rider steps out of a cafe, helmet in hand, and walks toward a parked Royal Enfield Scram 411. The bike sits confidently under the morning sun, its rugged design and urban aesthetics catching the light. The rider swings a leg over the seat, turns the key, and the engine rumbles to life with a distinct thump. As the rider pulls out onto the road, the Scram 411 glides effortlessly through city streets. Its agility is evident as it weaves through light traffic, with the upright stance providing a commanding view. The textured grips, wide handlebars, and compact build hint at the bike's dual nature, built for both asphalt and dirt. A quick cut shows the rider heading out of the city, the landscape shifting to open roads and rolling hills. The Scram 411 takes on curves with precision, its long travel suspension absorbing imperfections in the road. The engine hums steadily, and the rider's confident posture reflects the bike's balanced performance. Suddenly, the pavement ends, and a dirt trail opens ahead. The rider smiles and twists the throttle. The Scram 411 responds instantly, kicking up dust as it charges forward. The bike's spoked wheels grip the uneven surface, while the high ground clearance lets it navigate over rocks and bumps with ease. The playful flick of the rider's body showcases the bike's off-road capability. The scene transitions to a peaceful lakeside, the bike parked on a small ridge. The rider removes the helmet, gazing out over the water, the Scram 411 resting proudly beside them. The logo glints in the sun, reflecting the spirit of adventure. As the sun begins to set, the rider gets back on, firing up the engine once more. The bike roars to life as the rider heads toward the horizon, the journey continuing with no destination in mind, just the open road and endless possibilities ahead. The Royal Enfield Scram 411. Built for the unexpected.